Water in the West is personally one of my favorite lessons. We start that lesson by learning a little bit about the weather and climate of Arizona. And we do a really fun activity. I actually go around pouring water all over their hands. We play with sponges, and this lesson is to help them learn about water reserves.
We look at ways that animals do survive, and we also talk about ways that students in their everyday life can limit the amount of water that they consume, starting from the end of the lesson going forward.
The biggest objective for this is for the students to have an understanding of the water cycle as well as water conservation. So the big takeaway here is their role within this water cycle.